Hello friends, I welcome to all of you here to this online program called Stages of Sin. I would like to also tell you that we have got another name of this program too in our native language. In Sindhi language we call it Budat Anokhi Aadya. Viewers, let me also tell you the primary objective of this program is to enlighten our international community about our scholars, learned people, poets, story writers, novelists, and people from the world of the fiction. So today we have decided to come out from our dugout, that tiny room, that tiny studio, and we have decided to visit Pakistan Broadcasting House, Larkana, generally called as Radio Pakistan Larkana, and we have taken a special time from the Honorable Station Director, Radio Pakistan Larkana, Sir Ali Murad Tawri. So we are today here in his studio and in his office too. And let me tell you the brief introduction of Sir Ali Murad Tawri, that Sir Ali Murad Tawri is a man of principle. He possesses rich qualities of head and heart, and he has always a will to do anything and will to face any situation. If a single sentence can define him, in my words, it would be, he always believes in the fact, where there is a will, there is a way. Mr. Tawri was born in the year 13 July 1971 in the small village called Gujjo in the Talka Tul of district Jacobabad. So he has been associated with Radio Pakistan since 1st December 2001. He's a man, it is generally said about this man that you are watching here in his office, that he always remains calm, composed, and wins people's attention and heart through his spotless character, polite behavior, and eloquent conversation. So without wasting much of the time, let us talk to our honorable guest today, Sir Ali Murad Tawri. Sir, first let me express my immense pleasure that coming here in your office, in your Radio Pakistan, is like coming home.
Right.
Because I myself have been the part of this radio for more than a decade. I would like to ask you the first question, and now you have to define yourself, your kind self. If you can define yourself in a single sentence, what could it be?
In single sentence, yes, I am a simple man, created by Allah.
It is generally said about you that you have more friends than the foes.
Yes.
I mean, very few people I have seen who had some reservations about you. Otherwise, every now and then, the person I met, he admires you, she admires you. What is the secret of yours that winning the hearts of the people?
Actually, there's not any secret. I treat and mingle with the people friendly. Only I have this formula that I treat with all the people like my friends.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell us about something about your professional life.
Professional life, my belongs to broadcasting. I joined Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation, Islamabad, as a producer in 2001. That was the month of December, and that first I joined Radio Pakistan. After completion of my
your titles joined.
We have actually the different scales of Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation. The basic pay scales of this organization start from grade 1, and last our grade is 9.
Okay.
So I joined this department in grade 6, that is the officer's grade of this organization, and I joined as a producer. I completed my 4 months professional training in Pakistan Broadcasting Academy, Islamabad, in 2002.
Okay, sir. Let our viewers also know that, because since you are installed and posted in exalted position, what it means what is the success? How much success means to a person?
Actually, this is the success of for every people or every officer of this organization want to be the director of Radio Pakistan or any broadcasting house. Alhamdulillah, I have completed my service of about 17 years, and now I am at the senior post at this unit, and I am enjoying this post of station director since last 1.5 years.
Okay, sir, your greatest strength as a person and as a station director, and also your greatest weakness.
Actually, I myself found in my personality what are the weakness, and I judge myself. Then I try to solve with your own experience or discussing with the senior people.
Tell us something about your job style or working style and your behavior with the lower staff especially.
Actually, our working style is very simple. We have the office timings from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And every employee of this unit reach at this unit within the time, and we produce various programs. Actually, broadcasting.
I would request you, kind sir, to shed a light, especially about the various programs that Radio Pakistan Larkana broadcast for our viewers too, so that they may be familiar with.
Yes, I am telling you. As your first question was that how you deal with the
that was that
officers. Yes.
Now,
actually, we are producing different type of programs for all walks of life. Okay. We have the programs for women separate. We have the programs for children.
Could you please name some of the programs?
Yes. We have the program for women with title Sugdhan Sakh as Sartiyon, and for the children Mukhriyon, and for the special audience program for the disabled persons, we have program Pehli Duniya.
Okay.
This title.
Radio Pakistan Larkana airs special programs even for special people.
Special people. Either they
Since
are.
how long have you been?
We are producing this program from the day of beginning, I think. From the day of beginning of this station. This station was inaugurated by Shahid Mohtamma Benazir Bhutto on 24th December 1995. From that day, we are producing all type of the programs, all formats of the programs.
What is the total number of compares in this radio station?
We have unlimited compares, talkers, and other actors, voices. More than 70. We
Sir,
have
I would like to ask you a very important question now. Since you have given a detailed information about the programs of Radio Pakistan, which are the programs which are your favorite ones? And you have to give an honest answer.
Yes, my favorite programs are mostly disc jockey programs.
Okay.
Like Ruaryan, Sindhrang, and other magazine programs. I also like and listen these programs, and even I myself performs in that program.
Okay, so you yourself do the
yes. So many times I also like to perform in that program. In these days, I am performing in Sindhrang. That's the magazine program. And previously, I have performed in Ruaryan and also so many other programs.
How do you see the role of radio today? Because we see that a mushroom of channels have come.
Actually,
TV channels are there.
Actually, we are competing with the TV channels as well as the private radio media, and we are also competing with the international media, because when you will tune the radio station at evening time or at the night, you will find so many stations of other countries like India, BBC, and so many other stations. We are competing with these all the channels.
This is something unusual, viewers, that the Honorable Station Director of Radio Pakistan Larkana is telling us that this station is competing even international channels too. Such is the standard of programs. Now, this is very great. I'm glad to know this.
Even Munir, you will feel that we are also performing our duty for our nation, because international media like India, they interrupt our programs, they enter in our areas, and they present their programs to change the minds of the general people or general public.
I mean, they interfere.
They divert they are trying to divert the minds of our people against our country.
Okay.
So we are also trying to counter
attack
such attacks. So mostly people listen to the radio. They think that radio is only for the entertainment, to present the songs, but this is not our aim. The aim of our organization is to entertain and providing entertainment, information, as well as the knowledge to the listeners.
Is radio the best channel to brush up one's mother and national languages too? Because we believe that when we were kids, our parents especially asked us to listen to the radio.
Actually, we focus the language.
How many languages do you focus on?
Here in this area, we are focusing the Urdu and Sindhi, because this is our regional channel, and we have unlimited listeners. At present, we have various programs to enhance the quality of language, like we have the literary programs. In the literary programs, we cover all the aspects which are belongs to the language. And even in other programs, we focus the proper pronunciation of Sindhi and proper words which we have missed or forgot.
Radio Pakistan is just like an institution that instructs and teaches to the public.
Yes. I always say that Radio Pakistan is not a limited media. Radio Pakistan is the university.
Okay.
According to my own view, our own idea, Radio Pakistan is the university. You are also the professor of university or college. In your classroom, you teach the limited students.
Okay.
There may be the 20 students,
60 around.
60 or above or 100. But at this platform, we are teaching to the unlimited program, unlimited people.
Mass level of number of people you
yes,
attract.
Yes, we have, because at present Radio Pakistan Larkana, the transmission of Radio Pakistan Larkana covers more than 300 kilometers in radius.
Huge,
300
coverage.
kilometers in radius. Even at the evening time, we have the listeners in Azad Kashmir, as well as in the other provinces also, in India also, and other adjacent countries.
Generally, people are of the view that TV has reduced the role of radio. Do you believe in it, or would you?
No, I don't believe in.
Answer?
Yes, I don't believe in this, because you know that the people have no time to sit in the big room,
and tune to radio.
in the big room to watch the TV. But the radio is the powerful media. We can tune and listen the programs while walking, or while doing our job or business, or while sitting in the shop. So we can listen and we can enjoy the music and other information also.
Sir, it is generally believed that frequent load sheddings in our country have also enhanced the significance of radio, because people tune to radio too
Yes.
Radio is a channel that can be even heard without electricity.
We have so many examples. Radio can be tuned without electricity. You will use only two battery cells,
And also in mobile.
or also with the help of solar system, you
Okay.
can tune
So
the
this is something
radio
new
system.
that
Something
solar.
new. Even in the flood, in the days of flood, where were the television? I think there was no provision of electricity. People were you have
TV had no access there where
access.
you had the access.
Yes, we had the access, and we were working in the flood areas, and that's the example of 2009 and 10 floods in Jacobabad and other all the areas of Sindh. The radio was working, and we were broadcasting the various programs. Even at the night, people were calling to us. We prepared the
Team
flood sale
Acha.
in Islamabad, as well as at the duty room of Radio Pakistan Larkana. People were calling to us, and they were sharing their views and telling us that we are in this area, we have no access, and we have no access with the government. Please kindly help.
Okay.
So we
Sir,
were broadcasting their messages,
that-
and we were helping them.
That's good. Let me know that what is the difference between medium wave and FM, and it is also said by the many people that FM have revolutionized the radio. Is it true?
No, it's not a tube. Actually, FM is the frequency modulation. It expresses FM frequency modulation. The voice of FM is very clear. You will enjoy the music at FM more than medium wave, but their frequency and the coverage area is very limited. With the help of FM transmitter, we may cover about 50 or 60 kilometers in radius, but with the help of medium wave transmitter, we cover thousands of the kilometers.
Okay.
So FM is not the substitute of medium wave transmitters. Medium wave transmitters are more powerful.
Okay. How do you see the future of local radio?
I think future of local radio is very bright. Government is also planning to install the radio stations at district level because they have need of such stations. Even some universities are also using the tool of Radio Pakistan to convey the knowledge, to teach the peoples and students of their university. So it's a very powerful media, and its future is very bright.
Honorable Station Director, Radio Pakistan, Larkana, Sir Ali Murad Tawri, let me know that how the online media, especially this program is also online on YouTube and Facebook. How the online media has affected radio or left it unaffected?
I think it will not affect the radio, but it will enhance the importance of radio and other programs. And we have also the streaming channels and also the website of Radio Pakistan. We broadcast such programs at our website, and people listen
you have
all in
also
the
got
world.
the website of your radio too.
Yes, we have the website
Let our viewers know about it.
Yes, we have the website www.radio.gov.pk. We have a lot of the programs in all the languages of Pakistan. At that website, if you go and click that website, you will listen the programs, dramas, news, etc.
Okay, I will ask you more two questions regarding radio. Then I will again, take you to your personal life.
Yes.
Okay. Let me know that what are your thoughts regarding the current electronic media today?
Current electronic media is very powerful. All the medias are playing their vital role for the country. In the same way, Radio Pakistan is producing various programs.
Well,
we have
another thing I would like to just help you to pay your attention towards this very fact that the media industry is fast moving,
yes, yes,
and there are mighty changes in the trends and the practices too. So does radio as a medium, as a channel, adopt itself the similar kinds of trends to does radio adopt the same trend?
yes, yes. Radio is also adopting same trends. We have the research sales.
Okay. Please let viewers know about it.
Yes, we have the research sales, and they think that what kind of the programs people want, what kind of the programs should be produced to entertain the masses. So we also our high officials also go to other countries for the training, for the learning.
Okay.
And
Currently, sir, let me know that into how many helms or divisions this radio station is currently. Means there may be the producers, engineers like this.
yes,
Into how many divisions this radio is?
radio internal
Sections of the
internal setup of
yes,
radio.
internal and
You are
external
asking
setup,
about
yes.
we have the news section, we have the account section, we have the engineering section, program section, and administration section. We have the 5 sections.
Under now coming to you again, how much staff works under your kind, sir?
At this station, we have about 70 people. 70 employees are performing their jobs.
How do you behave? How do you treat? How do you deal under a pressure? Because this is mostly a very difficult question to be answered.
Alhamdulillah, I don't take any tension. When I feel that I am in the pressure of work, I call the meeting, discuss with my colleagues that we have facing this problem and how to solve
As a boss, sir, do you
with
believe
the
in
discussion.
as a boss, sir, do you believe in the dictum that boss is always right?
I don't think that, because I don't believe in this that boss is always right, because the might is always not right.
Okay,
in the same way, we have various bosses. They have their
How was
own
your
views.
experience working as a producer, and how was your first day of radio?
First day of radio is very interesting. I completed my training, professional training in Islamabad, and they provided.
Where? In which place, Islamabad? Please give us.
There is our academy, Pakistan Broadcasting Academy, in Islamabad. When any producer joins the Radio Pakistan, firstly he
Has to
go through the trainings and learning process. He completes the training of 6 months or 4 years.
Okay, sir.
Then he joins the station.
Okay. Your early days of radio and now, what is the difference between the two?
This is totally different. In early days, I was also the listener. I had no any experience, and then when I joined the radio, I was new for this organization, and I worked with the senior officers, and I learned more. And I have.
Okay, sir. One vital question I would be asking from you is that what does Radio Pakistan offer job opportunities for youth?
Radio Pakistan is offering job opportunities to the various professionals. Producers are selected on the criteria that they must be masters in any field. We have the engineers. They may be the BE in civil or account section. In the same way, mostly students apply from commerce degrees. So we have the various professionals, and they are performing their jobs here.
Sir, you now coming to your personal life, just asking a few questions about your personal life too. That you have served Radio Pakistan for 17 years,
Yes.
and still you look like a 70-year-old lad. What is the secret of your beauty and maintenance of physical appearance?
Alhamdulillah, I avoid from the tension, taking the tension.
Okay.
I keep
The
myself
secret.
relaxed.
Viewers listen that the honorable station director is saying that you must not take tension.
I remember the words of one my ex-station director, and now he's not in this world, Mr. Zahid Ali Kalbani.
Okay.
Maybe you have listened the name
Yes,
of
I heard about it.
that director. He was always saying that I am most happiest people that I am serving in this department.
Wow.
Because we have here the entertainment.
Okay.
We are also
I want to
enjoying.
emphasize this.
Yes.
Viewers will look. The reason of the happiness is this, that these people entertain the people, faith people, and then entertain themselves too.
We ourselves too, because we are also enjoying the music. We are producing the various programs in the playing manner, like we are playing.
You are just
Yes,
means playing games.
playing the games are
Okay, sir. Another counterproductive fact that I have found from your personal life, that you are MSc in agriculture and joined the media.
Yes, the same questions were asked to me in the interview, and the panel interview was there, and our director program, Mr. Munir Rahman Sumro, was there, and he asked the same questions. Mr. Ali Murad, your qualification is MSc in agriculture. What will you do here?
History repeats itself.
Yes. What will you do here? I told him that our country belongs to agriculture. We have 75% of population belongs to agriculture, and Radio Pakistan is producing the agricultural as well as the other programs to enhance the education of agriculture and rural development. So I will perform my job there, and I will do much more for the agriculture.
Okay.
Even my qualification is I have also another MA in economics. So that's the supporting degree for me.
Sir, if now any media channel is offering you the handsome salary package in an exalted position than this, what would be your response?
I think my response will be no.
No.
Because I am satisfied here. I am here at the good post, at good chair, and I am enjoying here.
Memorable day of your life, sir.
So many and uncountable memorable days, but I have remembered the day which I never forget in my life. Belongs to this job.
Okay.
That was the Malta.
You were married at that time, sir, unmarried?
I was married. Yes,
you were married.
Yes, I was married. And I have remembered the most important, that was the martyrdom of Mohtarma, Shahid Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto. So that day of coverage of the program, of the
heart-rending. It was
heart-rending and heart-touching. This event was very painful for me.
Very. It caused too much agony to you.
Yes, and we cover all the full coverage of this event from
dawn to dusk.
Dawn to dusk. Okay. And I was only there from Radio Pakistan, because nobody was here. And all of them was out of station. It was difficult. It was very, it was very difficult for me to reach in the Nowdero. Okay. Nowdero, there's the 25 kilometers away from here. So that was really very difficult for me, for the team of Radio Pakistan. You know that the buildings were burning here. Cars were burning there. Okay. Even we went to there and covered the full event.
Okay. Sir, do you believe in love?
Yes.
What is love?
Everybody believes in the love. Love is, I think, it's a happiness moment of the life. Okay. Love maybe with your child, with your life partner,
when a
the
married
parents.
person is talking about love, this is very interesting to know. Okay.
Actually we have various aspects of the love.
Okay, like
At present, we love our children.
okay. Sir, I would like to know that anything you want to change in the society, if you think that this should be changed, our society would look ideal one.
Mostly we always discuss with our colleagues, with our educated friends, actually, the education. Education is most important weapon for our nation, for our society. We can change the minds of the people
Okay.
with the
This
help of
education is the weapon
education.
through which you can
Yes.
change. Anything you want to reform yourself, change yourself too. Because nothing is permanent, change is permanent.
Yes, actually we are in the learning process. We always learn from our seniors, from the books,
Sir,
from
message for our viewers.
I have a message for my viewers and listeners that please educate your children to uplift the society, to bring the change in the society.
Sir, a few words about our online program, Pages of Sin.
Sajida?
This English program online, Pages of Sin.
Yes, I used to listen your this program and view at Facebook. It's a very effective and rememberable program, and you will earn more
Thank you, sir.
things from this program because you will save this program, and I think you should convert this program in the books. You may write the books at this
Okay,
program.
we will. Honorable Sir Ali Tawari, Honorable Station Director, Pakistan Broadcasting House, Larkana. It was a pleasure while talking to you. And once again, thank you very much.
I
Thanks a lot.
am highly thankful
Thank
to
you.
you that you have come
Thank
here.
you.
Thank you so much.